Hi guys, welcome back to my edition of new video guys. So guys, inside this video I want to explain how to use this indicator on boom 311 and what has happened in our trade on boom 311 so far since yesterday. So I want to make a video on it since yesterday up to today. So let's see how it's go. As you can see, this is the moving chart. As we all know that this indicator, what we are only trading is when our trend here that we have from green to orange line move above the 80 level, and when it move below the 20 level. So that is the trend that we are taking. So now since yesterday we can see that our trend has been moving above the 80 level, which has been giving us indicator of uptrend and downtrend here. But we are going to wait when this particular line turns to orange. That will be our entry to look for. Now let me make this an example. This is the first trend that we see, and after this first trend we can see that it turned towards orange at this particular area. So now this is our first trend that we need to check and see maybe we can enter a trade at this particular time. And there's another one here. We can see it turned to green again and it gives us another orange. This is another trend for us to look at, and this is another trend to us to look at again. You can see this. We have another trend and it's moved on a downtrend. So we want to confirm between this and this, which one or is our best trend to us to take. So once we have our trend now and our trade move to this particular level that is showing us an orange from the 9 turn to the green orange here, we want to check maybe this confirmation entry is what we can take. So what we are going to do now is that immediately we have our arrow indicator and our 9 is still on orange. It has appeared in orange. Then we go to 30-minute time frames. Then we go to the 30-minute time frames. You can see this is the first one. This is the first one. And what we are going to check on 30-minute time frames is very simple. What you are going to check is the exhausting candle. Once you check the exhausting candle that it appears on 30-minute time frames, then this will be the best entry to take. But now, as we can see now, this is our trend on our 5-minute time frame. So you have to mark that particular area on your on your 5-minute time frames. As you can see here, we have we have marked it. We have marked that particular area that we have our arrow appear. We have marked it. So that is what we are going to check on 30-minute time frames. Also, we are going to mark it. We are going to check it, and once we check it, we see that it appear on the on the red candle here. And if we check that red candle, the next one that will follow must be an exhausting candle. So as we can see now, we see that it appear. We have an exhausting candle here. It appear on that particular trade, but we can see that it appear another candle again, and before we have a downtrend. So our entry will be after this full candle that break our 20 moving average. That's when our entry will be. So now you have a 3 more candle to take as a profit here in this particular area. You can see that, and this is where our 9 turn towards to green area, and you can see the market move on a downtrend and give us another reverse at this particular level, and it give us another opportunity to enter a trade again here. As we can see, we mark it at the 5-minute level. This is it. We mark it at the 5-minute level, and what we can see next is that this 9 appear on our green candle. The first one appear on the red candle, the second one appear on the green candle, and we can see that we have the exhausting candle appear at this particular area. So our entry is going to be around there, and we have the opportunity to take up to 2 to 3 candle here before it give us another retrace of taking in the third time, which appear at this particular area. And what you can see next is that the market move on a downtrend. So, and since that particular time, we have been on the downtrend. So this is the best entry to take. We have a market retrace back to that particular level before it keep on sending down to the trend. You can see how that works. So now to get this particular indicator, what you need to do and I have a lot of video on it that explain it more deeply. Just reach me and